Today marks 2 years since the start of the 2022 blizzard that killed 47 people and left thousands without power for days. Now, UB is doing research into how two Facebook groups help keep people connected during that storm. Two on your sides, Kelly Dudzik is in downtown Buffalo with more about how you can help with the study. Kelly?
Well, Claudine, the researchers are looking at how two big Facebook groups helped keep people safe and informed during that blizzard 2 years ago. This is the first one. It's Buffalo Storm Group. And the second one is the Buffalo Blizzard Response Group. Researchers have arranged for a survey to be posted on that first group's page. They're still waiting to hear back from the second. The survey takes 10 to 15 minutes, and if you respond, you'll get a $20 online gift card. They have about 120 responses so far, and they need about 500. Researchers are partnering with the city of Buffalo, and the project is funded by the National Science Foundation. They want to find out which communities need to be reached out to better in the future.
This is important because under a disaster context, we don't want anybody to be left out. We want everybody to stay informed and stay connected. So by understanding a bit more about the communities that are currently being connected by our technologies, we can enhance our understanding and also potential future practices to further reach out to more communities to ensure that everybody is connected and we can better cope with future winter storm disasters.
Besides the survey, researchers have two other things they're looking into: how people moved around or stayed in the same place during the storm, and the types of calls made to 311. The researchers hope to have all of their data available by the end of next year. Live and on your side in downtown Buffalo, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.